This video demonstrates how to buy shares of CNH Industrial NV, ticker CNHUS, with a quick educational walkthrough. CNH Industrial is a global maker of agricultural and construction equipment listed on NASDAQ, and this is not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before placing orders. Use the platform's search bar and type CNHUS to locate the CNH Industrial listing, then select the entry that shows the NASDAQ ticker to ensure it's the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart, and double-check the company name and NASDAQ ticker to confirm this is the right asset. Click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before completing the purchase. Your CNH US position will appear in your portfolio once the trade executes, and if you want to explore the broker link, you can find it in the video description.